So for my Bevy Jam 7 entry, I think this is going to be a 3D game, which means I'm using Skein and Blender. We already have an arbitrary 3D camera here. So what I'm going to do is pop open Blender. And we have our default cube here. We also have a camera and a light. These are fine for now, but I don't know that I'll keep them around long term. First thing I'm going to do is take my Blender file. I'll create a folder called art. So assets is going to be my like production ready assets, and art is going to be like anything that is used to make those assets. I'm just going to name this something like 001.blend. I probably won't make too many blend files, but I really don't know yet what I'm going to put into this one specifically. It is possible that I build a whole bunch of levels and then thus find it to be overwhelming for some reason to put them all in the same blend file. Now you can do multiple scenes in Blender and export those, which is great. You can even export things as individual GLTF files, which is great. So one blend file should be enough for us. But anytime you say something is the final version of something, you get final.final.copy. So we're going to export here. I'm going to use extensions for Skein instead of extras because I have some stuff. I'm going to use GLTF instead of GLB, typically because I just like the way that it separates things. And if I really want to, then I can also do various forms of compression on the images that come out. Whereas if those images are packed into the GLB, it's a little bit tougher to get at them, a little bit tougher to compress them. And in this case, we'll enable punctual lights to get those lights exported. We already have a camera that we spawned inside of our Bevy application. So really all we need here is the lights. Let's create a new folder here. We'll create this as, I guess, 001. Why not? Since it comes from that blend file. And here we will have, I guess this is really going to be like a miscellaneous GLTF file until we decide what to do with it. So I'm just going to name it MISC.